Hey guys, welcome to I Sometimes Make Stuff. Today we're going to be building a crate for holding records, vinyls, LPs, whatever you call them. There's no preference of how big it is or how many it needs to carry, we just want to have a crate that can carry some LPs. Rough idea, like a square frame at the front and back, side paneling, and then some kind of front panel here to keep them in. So that's the rough idea, and we'll just make it up as we go along.
Many sleepless nights without you, and getting caught inside my head with you. The foolish path that I have chosen does not allow for you in person, and you will understand that if you look into my eyes, you will see yourself looking back. And if you open your sweet heart, you would have found me there from the start. Yeah. No luck is needed when you have faith. Trust is believing that you are safe. The crowded room with only you inside, a busy mind with only you inside, and you will soon believe that if you look